Hello everyone. So today we have a trade that I'm going to be analyzing for you. So as usual, I start from a monthly. I've always talked about this trade. So from the monthly, I see my market coming to a level here. It pulls back here and coming here. So we already had a double bottom here. Before here, there's a level here. If I zoom very well, you see I have a level. You can see very tiny. Okay. So you see that there is a level here, the double bottom. So the market is approaching it. Like I say, always where the market is coming from, where the market is now, and where the market is going. So for me, the market is coming to this area. So in my mind, I already know that I want to buy. I want to buy. Although the market's been selling, but according to this area, I want to buy. So on a monthly, I want to buy. So let me go to weekly. Okay, so weekly is the same thing. I want to buy. So right now I want to trade from my daily. So in coming to my daily candlestick, now you see very clearly. So the market hit it yesterday. It touched this level yesterday. Now, how do I know that I want to buy? It is also possible for me to say the market is going to break here. But based on the candlestick anatomy, like I talk about it, just candlestick, I know that this market is going to pull back because one out of the three things the market can do around here is that the market could break here, the market could pull back, and the market could consolidate. Okay, one. But I already knew the market is going to buy here. So now going into my entry strategy, which is very, very important. Remember, we are looking into risk 1 to 20 for our daily trade. Okay, so let's see here. Now, I'll go into my another time frame, which is my 1 hour. This is my 1 hour. So the market is coming down here. This is the level that I'm looking out for. So the market got to the level here. Okay, amazing. So meaning that from this level, I want to buy. Okay. Now, you can see, so it got here, it got here. You see? So this is the market. This is the lowest point here. Because now in a lower time frame, you can see it. It's like you're magnifying it. So this is the lowest point. This is it here. So the market came to the lowest point here. When we drew it on a daily, you saw here. But now with a week, with H1, I say that this is the level here. So I'm looking for market to come here. So let's look at it now. So I'm shifting this. I shifted it here now. So I'm looking at here. So I'm looking at here. This is yesterday's candle. This line is the period that separates yesterday. And this is today. Okay? So every candle you see from here to here was yesterday. So this is yesterday's level. So to this level, I'm watching out for the market coming to this area. Then I will enter the market. So let's look at something. Now, with my analysis and understanding, I've already said the market is going to buy. Okay? But my entry is also very, very unique in such a way that if this market want to sell, I will know. Because on my entry will prevent me from selling. Oh, sorry, my entry will prevent me from buying, since my initial plan from the monthly, weekly, and daily, I'm looking at buying. So my entry is going to tell me whether I will see a signal or not. So right now I'm going into my lower time frame, my entry time frame, which is M2 mostly. Sometimes I do M5. Now the reason why I do this is because there is a behavior of candlesticks at this time frame, these two time frame, that tells me something. That even if I'm going to be trading monthly, I'm going to be entering with M2 and M5 because of the way the candle behaves. You know, sometimes many traders think that when you're going to trade higher time frame, so your entry is on H4. I don't have any problem with that. Very, very good. Okay, I don't have any problem with that. I can't say I'm an authority in this completely. Okay, it works for them. But what the problem with H4 is that your stop loss is going to be much. So when you enter with a small time frame, very low time frame, it reduces your risk. Okay, so now I'm going into my entry time frame, which is my H2. Now going H2. So let's go. This is it here. Okay. Now you see. I think I need to put a line there so that you know where it is. Let's go back again. Okay. I'll put a vertical line so that you can see this is a line. Okay, so I'll make it a little bit bolder and change the color. Make it black. Okay, so you can see this color. So let's go back again to our H2. Okay, so you see this is where we are. So let's take this thing out now. So this market getting here now, you see, something has happened here, here, and here. So if I go to another lower time frame now, which is like M1, you'll see it. There's something I look for that tells me that, okay, you are good to go. Okay, what do I look for? The market must give me a confirmation from here. The candle that comes to this area and go like this and come like this must give me a confirmation. Okay, so it confirms it from me with this candle. So this is my entry. This is my stop loss. Okay, So let's put the entry and put the stop loss and see what we would have made. So this is it. So this is it. So unfortunately, our entry here, stop loss here, we have reached the fifth, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 15. We are still approaching 20. Okay, so our trade today, I didn't actually take this trade today anyway, but I missed it, but I wanted to use it to do analysis for you guys. So today we are 1 to 15. At this time that I'm recording this one, the market is closing. So because it's a daily trade now, I'm also going to be talking about when to close the trade. Okay, so this is it. We have one risk to reward, 1 to 15. So if you were risking $100, you will have made $1,500. If it was $10 your money, you will have made $150. If you were risking $1,000, you will have made 15K. That's what it is. So this is it for today. And then tomorrow we are going to show you again what you can do with small money. I've always said it is not the capital that you should be looking at. It is the skill. When you have the skill, whatever amount of money you spend on acquiring the skill is much more than you wasting your money looking for what to trade with. So, but many traders will not agree. They want to trade, they want to make money. Don't jump at the money making, jump at acquiring the skill. Okay? So thank you very much. I want you to subscribe. I want you to share. I want you to comment. I want you to like. Okay? So for more information on this channel, thank you very much. And we are on YouTube. I don't know where you are watching it from. We're on Facebook. We are on TikTok. And we are on IG, Instagram. What is our name? Just Candlesticks. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. God bless you.